Which collapse would you like today? Would you like CarMax, or how about Carvana? Or you could just ride a Tauntaun. That was a picture of me heading to the mall today. Little frosty, which I think riding a Tauntaun probably better than flying this holiday season, which you guys are currently not doing because they're all canceled. That's everyone go home, which might be a good thing. Maybe God is just saving you from your family, right? You're like, oh, sorry, Mom, can't make it. Yep, ugh, the flights, everything's canceled. But say hi to Jimmy for me. Oh, he's still in jail? Okay, well, you can still say hi. The question of the day, is Carvana, coming in from Forbes, cite your sources, Bravo, is Carvana going to declare bankruptcy? And I say, like a business model like that of a vending machine, right? I think I'll take the white one, okay? Put in credit card. And I say all you have to do is just look at the charts. Scott, that's it. They're right in front of you. They'll tell you if your money is going to go down or if your money is going to go up. Also, I am no longer having to film mobile, and I wanted to really go into a little bit more of a deep dive on a couple stocks. Definitely, is the kiss of death still in play? The answer is yes, and I will show you. So 2023 is going to be a great year if you want to make money going down. Carvana is looking to be on the brink of bankruptcy, with yields on their corporate notes above 30%. See, it's fun to take out bonds until you have to pay them back, which right now our government is going to feel the pain, right? Jerome, he doesn't want to pull a Volcker, right? When Volcker cranked rates and then, okay, I think we're good. And then everything went to hell in a handbasket. He's like, all right, we're doing this again. So Papa Jerome's going to make sure he holds us under the water, right, until the bubbles stop. It's not going to pull that one, so that's why I say, with the inverted yield curve, this one is going to be disastrous. But that's okay. We can make money on the way down. The stock price has jumped in early trading on Thursday after a major crash this week. Yeah, how about all of your money is now gone, right? Oh, it's better time in the market, Bravo. When I was in New York, a lot of financial people, right? Got to meet some people and listening to people talk. There was this couple, and they're just like, "Yeah, my Tesla. I've lost so much money in Tesla, but it's okay because you just never sell." I mean, come on. Even Elon is bailing out. He has to fix Twitter. You got to sell. So bloodbath over there in Tesla. Not that at some point when he's done, right? It probably have a good bounce, but there is a lot of selling pressure in Tesla. So especially when your CEO is the one doing it. Despite this bounce, the price has collapsed almost 98%. No. Well, then I guess according to everyone's logic of time in the market is better than time in the market. And why not buy it cheap and sell it expensive? I mean, come on. You're at the very bottom. 98%. Must be a time to go all in. I mean, just imagine if you were to buy it now when it goes all the way back up to $400. There's a reason why. Okay, so here. Do you take profit? Yes. Do you see Lux Algo on? Link in the description if you want those cool little indicators. Yes, you got to pay for it. When do you exit out of Carvana and say that is completely it? After you took profit, you're like, now I'm going to short and make money on the way down. So you started shorting around the $300 region, okay? And then it went all the way down to the 200, which that's the weekly. It'll bounce off of that, which you saw. It's like, okay, we're okay. We're okay. Well, until you're not okay, which you clearly saw it broke. Oh my gosh, we're all gonna die. Comes up, retests, get rejected. Now you can go full bore, short away, and make even more money from 140. Now I have a random line that's just gonna, I'm like, how drunk was I when I was charting that one? And then it just keeps on a going. You're still, that's it, all the way down. Now, some people are like, well, I mean, what happens? Like at $4? Yeah, it goes lower to zero, and then even minus zero. I mean, I know people that had retirement accounts forever with their company. They're like, we'll match your, whatever you put in, blah, blah, blah. It was like $20, $23. Now it's like 0.0000001. Like, homie's retirement is gone. Now, if homie would have listened to me and click the button and click sell, okay, at least it would have saved him. Or you can make money on the way down. And since we are talking about cars, what about CarMax? Probability of bankruptcy. So we even have websites. And it's only it's 43%. That's it. Go all in with receivables and inventory. Ooh, that'll be nice. When that inventory of 4.2 billion, come on, let's dump all those cars on the market. Now, I have been holding off for years. I want to buy a car, but I want to wait. It's just a thing. I'm like, nah, I want to wait till this dumpster fire really gets going, right? I couldn't do it. We have one car, and I'm like, come on. I know I can afford another one, but I just, when it's in your gut, like, I cannot buy at the top of the market. This is horrible. Everyone's like, come on, dude. I'm like, nope, I am going to wait until the bottom. And right now, Tesla cuts prices as stock value plummets. We'll keep it going. And looking at CarMax, not so bad. I mean, okay, $59 was just, wow, that is just crazy. $156 all the way down. You're seeing a couple things down here. Just letting you know. That's a double bottom, okay? Kind of a neckline right there. Measure that. You should be able to pop from that, but I wouldn't bet the house on that one. I mean, what I would be betting was this 200 and 200 week. There's your 200 week. You're underneath it, so you got to trade it down. I mean, let's just pretend Santa comes early on Carvana. You got your earnings. Everything's great. Wait till it comes up here, okay? It probably won't trade that way in a squiggly line. It hits its head on the 200. Oh, that would be just magical. Then you put in the short. So really quick, I have not talked about the dollar in a while. I wanted to show you guys something. You have a severe negative divergence. Do you see? Here, I'll show you. Draw a line. This is this here is kind of going up. Did you see that? This right here, stock price, a lot going down, okay? That's a divergence. So you should see a pop in the dollar. You are also in such oversold conditions. Look at that, MACD's way down there. You got some serious oversold conditions on the dollar. So I would not be surprised if you see a rally. The only thing I don't like on this one is your head and shoulders pattern. This plays out pretty accurate pretty much most of the time. That is your head and shoulders. That is it. You broke. That's your 200-day moving average. I mean, you got a lot against you on the dollar. Also, as you know, the rest of the world is central banks are raising rates. So kind of in lockstep, putting pressure on the dollar. So I would not have 100% confidence. I like when I chart things and I put money towards something, I want to know, right? Kind of like Tesla when I put that in the course. Also, link in the description. $200, you guys, my Christmas special. One day only, and when that thing's gone, oh, you guys if you've been waiting, what are you doing? Like, this is the only time of the year that I could do this. Like, there's nothing else after this. You're like, well, what about Valentine's Day? No. I mean, what's better than giving yourself the gift of Christmas, right? And it's fun. It's like playing a video game. So again, on Tesla, the price target, I know we're at $124, but that pattern right there is calling for an $81 price target. But in that, you're also going to have rallies. Like, see, we're in that Lux Algo zone. We're going to go up, retest that 200, get rejected, and then come down. These are not areas that I would short right now. But if I was still in the trade, which I am not, I would just leave it. Maybe when it comes up here, retest the 200, then we play whack-a-mole again. Okay, and now on to the major index, S&P 500. 500 companies, give or take one. And the kiss of death. Now I can go back almost, I think it's 100% accurate. There may be one time where this one has not pulled through. But when this is the 20-day moving average. Actually, not day, this is the monthly. That's that yellow line right there. So I've cleared everything off the chart. This is what happens. This was 07. We come down. We have all-time highs. We don't come down. We come up, which you just experienced. Just like back in the Great Depression. It comes down, it breaks the 21, and then it goes, we're going to go up and try to retest all-time highs. Cannot get above it. It just kisses that little yellow line right there. Mwah! And then it gets rejected, right? See, we come up, we kiss, we get rejected. What you need to do, which we have not done yet, is break the low, which I'll show you in a second. But first, 2 shots vodka, down 58%. Currently from our all-time where we are at, I moved the chart a little bit, about 27%. So here we go. All-time high. Yay! Go all in. Everything's great. And everyone who's getting out. Elon was getting out. The Fed was getting out. Everyone at the Fed was getting out. All the smart CEOs. Probably Mark pulled some off the table there too. And then he destroyed his entire company. So then we come down. We go underneath the 21 monthly moving average. We come up. We kiss. We kiss, we kiss it. This is like French kissing 101. Gets rejected, comes down here, okay? Comes back up. We keep trying to get above it. We can't. The game's over. But now what you need to do is let's come on down here. Let's pass these little bars. And then we have, this is what I have. See this? Fed tightening affects earnings. So, and we're in a channel. We are in a glorious channel on the way down. So what goes up must come down. But also, again, nothing happens. It just doesn't. The stock market at zero. Everyone's like, oh, you said after the kiss of death, the market. No, it doesn't go to zero. It grinds all the way down. Just like your shares of Tesla or Carvana or CarMax or whatever you're, right? It's like, oh, hey, relief rally, bear market rally, and then lower. I mean, but think about it. If Elon's telling you, he's selling, and the stock's going to go down, you should probably listen to him. If Jeff Bezos says, which he said, this is all going in the pooper. I mean, not his exact words. Don't quote me. Listen to them. When the Fed says they're going to hold you underwater, listen to them, right? It's like you're standing in front of a bus that's coming at you 500 miles an hour. Listen to me. I mean, we haven't even hit capitulation yet. That is when everyone's like, I know, I said I would never sell Tesla, that I should just always hold it. But then you click the sell because you're like, well, at least I have some money because it's going to get worse. At that point, you should be buying it. Hold on to your money. Jeff Bezos issues a financial warning, says you might want to rethink buying a new automobile. That would be a car. Okay, check. Got that one. I've been rethinking that. A refrigerator or whatever. Here are 3 recession-proof buys. Say, Jeff, I don't care about your recession-proof buys. I'm just going to click the button. Okay, it'll probably on Robinhood it says short, or if it's Trading View, like you see me trade, that'd be I connect with TradeStation. They'll give you $150. Link in the description, and you click sell. That's a margin account, and then you make money going down. But you need to understand the chart, so buy yourself a Christmas gift. Or get out there and buy yourself a Tauntaun, right? I heard they're like, are they? No, this winter they're very pricey, so maybe you should wait. But also, if you've waited to hit the subscribe button, come on, man. Made it to the end? I think it's worth a subscribe. Okay. Love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.